So there's this abandoned little garage thing near my grandparents' house. Let's go take a look at it. There's a bunch of lumber there. Let's go look at the inside. Oh, there's a car in there. Let's look at it. There's the view we get. Nice scenic view. And there's the car. What is that, an Oldsmobile? Well, this is interesting. Let's take a look around. We'll come back to the car. I want to look at the circuit breaker. There's a door here. Mysterious V8. This thing full of drawers. Here's the circuit breaker. And here's the car. It's an Oldsmobile F-85. It's got a V8 in it. It's covered in lots of bird poop. Someone broke out the window here, I guess, so I guess I'm not the first person here. It's got some really old tires on it. I do gotta say, this car doesn't have really a lot of rust at all. You can tell that no one comes here because there's a tree growing right here. Here's the license plate. It's got a trailer hitch on it. It says something there. Those taillights look awfully cool. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, there's lots of trees growing here. It's in this really nice building though. Right here. Because it's made out of cinder blocks. Let's open the door. It looks clean on the inside. Let's look in there. In the back. There's the front. Door's shut nicely. Let's open this door. Doesn't have a lot of rust on it. There's the interior of the Oldsmobile. Let's see if there's anything in that glove box. Well, the glove box completely disintegrated. I don't think these are the original seats of the car because they look like 1970 seats. But there's a lot of mouse droppings and garbage that they make. Well, that sounds nice. Wonder what the mileage is on this. Well, there we go. That's the mileage. I would show you guys the engine, but sadly it's hard to get to. It was last registered in 1978, I guess. Well, that's my look at this 1960-something Oldsmobile F-85 wagon. Thanks for watching.